Hi, so today I'll show you some top free AI video generator tools, okay, online, completely free. So let's get started with the first one, which is Easemate.ai. Here you'll be able to create free AI generator videos from text and images, okay. So just from concept to video in seconds, they are free AI generator transform text to images into video online with just one click, okay. No skills and no software, no hassles, okay. So here Veo 3 50% of AI models. If you want, you can upgrade, otherwise it's completely for free. So image to video and text to video, okay. Two options you select. If it is text, then you add text. If image, you upload the image. Then select the aspect ratio from here, like 16:9, which is horizontal opposite vertical, 1:1 square. Then rectangle, horizontal, and vertical rectangle, okay, 3:4. So after that, you simply add prompt, okay, and models you will have Runaway, Veo 3 first, and quality 1080 720, duration 5 to 10 seconds. This is one sample video I can show you, okay. So you can see the quality and all, the sample video. Car racing, this is the Dragon one, and we have they have web app and this Chrome extension as well. This is text to video, okay, an example, one click video generator. Next we have what's the big data. Here no sign up required and completely unlimited. So here you simply add the prompt, then video style, quality you select, and generate the video. So this is actually, here are some FAQ, okay, like the steps to use, and then tips. Also they have some FAQ. Let me open. Okay, so I'll add the website link. If you want, you can just read the FAQ as well. They have AI tools like writing software, okay, image generators, all this they have. Now our third tool, which is DreamLux AI. So all the links will be there in the description, so no need to worry about, just watch this till the end. So now in this this online AI generator without watermark, and you can see the quality of the video is simply awesome, okay. Very nice AI tool actually. So here they have some samples. So earlier it was the image, and now image to video, okay. Prompt with image, you can add your text prompt as well, okay. So user generated videos, okay. Now let's move to our next tool, which is emephone.com. Here okay, so this tool is popular to create vertical videos, okay, on mobile for YouTube Shorts and IG Reels. So you can see some of their video quality, okay. So once you will click, so this is the tool over here. Video size, aspect ratio you select, for example 9:16. Then add your prompt, you can select the language, okay. you will have lots of language options. Okay, so next you can paste your story also. Now duration you select. Okay, 5 minutes, 30 seconds, whatever. Now just click on this create video, and you can select their style as well from here, like modern cat, Ghibli, cinematic, Family Guy, watercolor, Minecraft. Okay, so the style you want, you simply select and generate the video. Now let's move to our next tool, which is Giz AI. So simply awesome tool, you should check it. Basically you know, lots of customizations you can do, free AI generator, no sign up required. Okay, so here you add your prompt and then select the model from drop down, like ByteDance, Minimax, Pixverse, Kling, okay, Luma, Dream Machine. And then if you want, you can upload your own face image, or you can use their reference image. Then simply click on generate now, so your AI video will be generated. So here are some models like ByteDance model video, then Minimax and King AI. Okay, sample videos. So the possibilities are endless with Giz AI. Like AI video ad you can create with Nano Banana, then text image to video, text to video, then text to video with audio. You will have AI face generator. Okay, sync speech to video, then AI action figure generator. We sample is Elon Musk, you can see. Then consistent character story. Okay, then AI Ghibli hug video. So lots of types of videos you can generate with this tool. Okay, so our next one is Vider.ai. So here also no sign up required, unlimited, completely free, and high quality output like this. So creative freedom, then customization options, fast processing, visual storytelling, community inspiration, free image to video. Okay, generator. So you should definitely check it. And here are some FAQ, right? So I think 2 more left, which is Kapwing. So with Kapwing also, you just simply add your prompt. They have guide video how you can generate. Add your prompt and select the type.
A week-long social media detox
and you can see the video has been generated
on mental health.
Okay, so
a week-long social media detox
like tech companies, they are using this
transformative effects on mental health.
Kapwing.
Kapwing's AI video generator has a couple new.
So
the time limits have been
they have a
specifically
guide
designed to
video
fit
as well how you
Instagram
can
Reels, YouTube
use
Shorts,
this.
TikTok.
I will add this all the resources in the description box for you so that you can check it out. Okay, so now they have some FAQ. Let me open one by one. So upscaling, custom branding. Okay, then if it is safe or not, edit and customizations, all these things. Okay, so now the last one is Invato. So till September 30, as of now, they have announced, but actually possibilities are there that they may extend this unlimited AI generation tool. With Invato also you can generate, okay, unlimited, or else as per your account limit you can generate. Okay, so this much for today. If you have any questions, please comment me, okay, so that I'll come to know, and definitely I'll create a video as per your request. So please like and subscribe. Take care and bye bye.